Hey, hello guys. I hope you're all doing well and you're following our technical analysis course live on your channel MyCryptoPal. And welcome to the third session of the course. Now, this session is going to be very, very important because we are going to go slightly into more details about trading and all that. So today's point of discussion will be about watch list, guys. So today we'll discuss how to create a watch list. Now, I gave a brief, detailed description about the watch list in the last video, how to save it, how to share it. So if you have not seen the session 1 video, session 1 of the technical analysis course, please go and watch it, and then you can come and continue over here. Okay, so today we'll see how to create a watch list, and then we'll see that the type of watch list you need to do, how you can segregate a watch list, and the final point of discussion will be the most efficient watch list. It means that how by setting up an efficient watch list you can enter trades quite easily, and you should not be missing trades that come in your way, and how just by opening your watch list once you can see that which coin is doing well and which coin is not doing well, and on the basis of that you can take your trading decisions. Okay, so let's start, guys. Let's jump into trading view. As you can see that I am already logged in trading view. So you can see that currently we are on the BTC chart, and this on the right hand side top, you can see this is my watch list section, this full. If I click it and unclick it, the watch list is getting hidden, and it will show you the watch list. So when you drop down, when you click this drop down menu, you can see there is a button called as import list. If you click on the import list, guys, it will give you the import list exe file drop down from your computer, and if you create a new list, it will create a new list for you. Okay, so as you can see, we are in the crypto spot watch list over here, and you can see that you can rename the watch list like you want. So I have put it as crypto spot. I can rename it as my crypto market watch list like this. Okay, and you can add whatever coins as you want. Okay, so there are two ways of doing it, guys. Either you can add all your spot and leverage pairs over here. Now before I tell that, just come over here on the left hand side top, and you can see that here is the plus button. Once you click the plus button, guys, and you type BTC USD or USDT, whichever trading pair you're using, you can see BTC USDT, and here is the on the right hand side you can see that all the exchanges are popping up, and on the left hand side all the tickers are popping up, and you can select whatever exchange you want. You can select Bybit, you can select Binance, but you can see there is a significant difference over here when I come to Bybit and when I go to Binance. You can see the Binance, the Bybit one is saying perpetual contract, and the BTC one is just saying BTC Bitcoin slash Tetherus. Now if you don't understand pairing, we'll go into pairing in a little bit later, but for now, if you are a beginner trader and you know how to set up this, then you can just go and type BTC USDT and select the exchanges you want. Okay, so if you're trading in spot, BTC USDT is the ticker for you, and if you're trading on futures, then you just need to type perp like this, then the Binance perpetual futures will come. Okay, what are perpetual futures, isolated contracts, and inverse perpetual future? We'll all discuss this in the later part in the Binance series of the sessions. So for today, just remember that if you're trading on spot, then BTC USDT is the ticker for you, and if you're trading futures on Binance, then BTC USDT perp is the ticker for you. Okay, so you can see like I have added here BTC USD Bitstamp chart over here. If I want to add the Binance chart, I can just go and type BTC USDT Binance and press the plus button. Okay, you can see that it comes over here, and since I had added this section before, the section popped up, but if I want to add more, you can just go ETH over here. Okay, you don't need to click the plus button, guys, like I'm doing over here or I'm doing over here. Just go and type on your monitor, and you can see that it will come directly. So you can see ETH USDT is also coming over here. So when you do this, the symbol will just pop up on your screen over here, but in order to add it to the watch list, you have to do the plus button and then go ahead and click the plus button. Same thing, guys. So you want to do Phantom or you want to do ADA, you just type that, and it should just drop down on its own. You can see ADA USDT, yeah, Binance, and just click. Okay, now you can see that I have 3 alts, and on top I have 2 BTC. So right click over here and add a section, and you can rename the section as alts like this, and the top remains your BTC. Okay, so this is the method. You have to add tickers to your watch list or assets to your watch list. Now, how let's start discussing that. You can see that I have created a watch list called as world market over here. What we can do is just rename this watch list and just go and type ahead macroeconomics as why we need to discuss macroeconomics, how it is going to help you as a trader. These are very detailed concepts and we'll come to it slowly, but for now remember that you have to watch the macroeconomics in order to make your trading decisions. Okay, so I will give you few macroeconomics tickers over here which you can add, and the relation to it you can find out on your own, or we will make a new session about it, but not in this session. Okay, so first thing I will create is macroeconomics. Then you already have a crypto market watch list. What you can do is you can create one more. Let's say you are an Indian and you're trading in stock market. You can write stock market Indian, or you can write here Indian stock market. Okay, so once you write Indian stock market, save, you can see that now you have 3 watch list over here. Okay, when you if you want to create more watch list, you can go and write US stock market over here. And then you see that now you have 3 powerful watch lists set over here. One is looking at the crypto markets, one is looking at the Indian stock market, one is looking at the US stock market. Okay, now let's go to the macroeconomics chart, guys. So in this section of the watch list, in the first section, what we are going to do is we are going to add indices watch list. Okay, so if I just press SPY over here or SPX over here, you can see that this is giving me S&P 500. If you are confused that which one to add, just go to indices over here. Okay, you can see here you get all these categories options over here. So if you go to indices, the first thing that will pop out will be the indices. So you can see S&P 500 and just press the plus button. Okay, and then when I click it over here, you can see that SPX is coming, and in the watermark you can see clearly that it is written S&P 500 index over here, and the symbol description, like I told you, that if you do not understand the full thing like in last video, just go to symbols and you can click as much info as you want in the status line. Okay, so volume, bar changes, open, close, high, low, everything will come over here. Okay, you can see it is giving you all the data. Okay, so we'll add some major indices over here. Now how to figure out major indices is a different story altogether, but I will give you 3 major indices today. So one is SPX, like I've told you. The second one is US 100, so go ahead and add US 100 over here, and the third one is Nasdaq. Okay, so you can just go and type Nasdaq or like this, or you can go to Google and type Nasdaq over here. Normally I see the Nasdaq 100 index, so you can see the Nasdaq is coming like this and the US 100 is coming over here, and on the basis of this, these are the 3 major indices. Now guys, there are several tickers about US 100 and Nasdaq. That will be a completely new discussion someday, but if you just go and type US 100 like this, you can see that the first thing which is coming more or less is correct. Okay, so capital.com, currency.com, or telling TVC, anything you click will more or less give you the value. Okay, since you are not trading in those indices, it should not matter for you. If you are trading in the indices, then of course go to Google, find the proper ticker for it, and then put it. If you are not trading, you're just watching it for to know the market sentiment and the overview, then anything should work. Okay, however, what I will do is I will share my watch list down, like if you remember that when I went over here and clicked share list, then you can share your watch list with anyone by copying the link. So what I'll do is in the description below, I will go and put my watch list of macroeconomics, so you can go ahead and click that, and once it opens the trading view, you can go and paste it over here. Okay, so this is about it, guys. So you can see the major indices are added. So what you can do is add a section and rename it as major indices or index. Okay, so once this is done, you can go and select some dollar symbols, like the DXY is quite important to us. You can see this is the US dollar currency index. You can go ahead and add that, and the second thing you would need is VIX. Okay, which is the fear gauge of the market. Most people watch and trade only on VIX. I also do, but I will explain this later to you in details. Just remember that this is the fear gauge of the market, and this is the volatility index basically. That is why it is called as the VIX. And then you can add gold. because you have to track the whole amount of gold. Now what I do is I don't add the top two, I just do the gold futures over here. So I just select gold futures from the MCX Indian index, and then you can add oil if you want. So there are various ways of adding oil, but Brent oil futures is normally the best, which covers everything. So you can see that once your major indices are added over here, you can add a section over here, and you can write markers, okay, that we are going to use these we are going to use these stickers as markers to predict the market, okay. And here you can add a section and you can put as commodity. Yeah, so I will explain you later that how you can relate commodity markers and major indices to your stock market or your crypto investments and trading. But for now, just do this, and if you are not comfortable in doing this, I will share my watch list with you, and you can just go ahead and directly click and save it. But like I always say, don't trust anyone. Might as well do your own research and then figure out things on your own. That will be much better, okay. Now there are several others, other thing, guys, like Dow Jones is there, DJI is there, and then Russell Peters is there. You can, you can go ahead and choose as much as you want, but I normally just watch this 3, and of course I watch them all. I have a macroeconomics checklist that I will show you in one different detailed video altogether. But for today, this much is important. Okay. So for macroeconomics, you can go ahead and set up like this. Now, since the macroeconomics is done, what we can do is go to the Indian stock market, and you can just add Nifty over here. Just type Nifty, and you can see Nifty 50 is coming. This is the first major index, and then the Bank Nifty is coming over here. Okay. So I have added to Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, because I am in the stock market index, so all the watch list should comprise of everything that requires me to trade that index that day. Okay, so if you're doing options trading in Nifty, Bank Nifty, or you're doing futures trading, or you're just investing in positions, you need to have your watch list set up in such a way that you don't need to frequently go and change your watch list like this. Okay, so add everything here. Now just a hint that Nifty normally follows Dow Jones and SGX Nifty over here. You can see if I just click SGX, it is coming SGX Nifty 50 index futures over here. Yeah, IN1 and exclamation mark means the futures. So what you do is just go over here, add a section, right click, and like macro factors, and you add a section over here and just write index. Okay, this is done. Now if you want to add the stocks that you're trading for the day, so you can go ahead and add let's say Apollo Hospitals. I add over here, I add ICICI Bank over here, and I add SBI Bank. Okay, so if you're in all and it is confusing you as to what, you can just click stocks over here, and this will give you everything. You can see State Bank of India NSE is coming. TradingView is very smart, guys, so you don't need to put a lot of effort. And as you can see that I have added a lot of stocks now. So you can see Axis over here, HCC, Hindustan Constructions Limited, and let's say a small stock like Renuka Sugars or something. So go and add over here. Okay, so you can see that now I have segregated the watch list. So I'm going to put a section over here. Yeah, now you can use this section as per your will. So you can go and type ahead banks over here, and you can see that all top 4 banks are coming in this. Apollo is not a part of banks, so you can just drag it down to the bottom over here, and you can add a section over here, and you can rename this as construction or realty or whatever you want. Okay, and you can add a section over here and rename this as sugars, and you can add a section over here and rename this as pharma. Okay, so you can see that now in one watch list you have the index, you have the macro factors. What I normally want to do is I want to move the macro factors above, because first when you come in the morning you would like to open the macro factors and see how it is done, and then only you need to go to Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all the stocks that how it is doing. Okay, so it is very easy. You come in the morning, open DJI, see how it is done. You open SGX Nifty, see how it is done, and then Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all your tracking tools are all in one place. Okay, so this is how you need to set up the Indian stock market. Similarly, you can go ahead and set up your US stock market. Normally I just put all the important stocks that I am watching or I want to, like Tesla or Microsoft or there are n number of stocks. Okay, you can just go and type Amazon. Like if you type Amazon, you can see that TradingView is very it is very smart, and it will give you things quite easily. Yeah, so you can see Tesla, Misfit, Amazon, AMD, everything is added, and you can set up your US stock market as well, like this. Now crypto wise, guys, you can see that I have BTC USD. What I am going to do is I am going to add a section over here, and I will strongly recommend that you follow this pattern, because this is going to help you a lot. The first section I would want is the dominance chart. Okay, and I would remove my BTC from here, and I would like to add in my dominance chart USDT.D. Okay, just go to all and it should come automatically. USDT.D over here, that comes and gets added here in the dominance chart. Bitcoin dominance, so BTC.D, that comes and gets added over here. Yeah, these are the two dominance charts you need to see. And if you go a little bit more technical, you can add ETH BTC pair over here. Okay, so now you see my dominance charts is all set up. Now what I can do is I can add one more section over here, and I can rename this as BTC charts. Okay, so what you can see is BTC USD. It is important to see all kind of tickers, and it is important to see what other charts are doing. So BTC USD, like I have told you, is the Bitstamp chart, so that needs to be there to see a full overview of the Bitcoin's history. And then the Binance chart over here, and if you go and type BTC USD, you can see that there is a lot of charts which are coming like this. Okay, you can add whichever exchange you want, or you can just go to USDT and you can add your exchange of your choice. Okay, because some guys, they trade on Binance in spot, some guys do Bybit. So if you are doing Bybit, you can go ahead and add perpetual Bybit over here, and it is saved, and these are your BTC charts. Okay, and in alts, guys, you can either do like this. What I like to do is, let me just remove this. What I would like to do is, I want to add a section over here, rename the section as spot pairs. Okay, and then in the spot pair section, I'm going to add all my spot charts for the alts. Okay, so what I'll do is I will send you my chart and then my watch list, and you can just go ahead and add the spot pairs like this. And then I would make one more section over here and rename it as leverage pairs. Okay, and I'm going to add my perpetual contracts over here. So ADA USDT perp, and let's say Phantom USDT perp. Yeah, so you can see that now I have a watch list which gives me dominance charts, BTC charts, spot charts, and leverage charts. Okay, now some people, what they do is they even create one more section, and you can, if you want to see the market cap of crypto, like how the total market cap is doing, so don't worry, we'll have a full discussion about it one day. But for now, remember that you can add these three. One is total, one is total 2, one is total 3. Okay, now just add this and I will explain you what do you mean by this. And once you have, you can see in one watch list you have dominance charts, BTC charts, spot charts, leverage charts, and macro market cap charts. Okay, so from this, once you have added a lot of spot over here, what you can do is you can go and just click over this change over here, and you can see TradingView is showing you that ADA is outperforming Phantom, so you might as well invest more in ADA. And if you want to add more things like Chili's over here in the perpetual futures, just go ahead and add it, and you can see that it will normally be placed at the bottom. Just drag it to your section and it is placed over there. Okay, so once I do this change button over here, if I double click, it will arrange everything as per this, and if I just do the symbol, it will arrange everything alphabetically for me once. Okay, so this is the way, and you can go ahead and you can put volume and extended hours over here also. Then you can see all kind of information is coming in one watch list, and you can see your watch list is segregated very nicely. Over here you can see all immediate information regarding the watch list, and if you go to your Indian stock market and go over here, you can see that you will get everything over here, as well as in the financials you can see that everything is coming. Yeah, dividend yield, beta factor, PE ratio, EPS, revenue for all the stocks is coming quite nicely. Okay, now if you want to share your watch list, share watch list, copy the link and send it to your friend. Okay, so guys, this is I think the best way to set up your watch list, and I will send my watch list, or I will put it in the comment section, and you can just click the link and go ahead and do. So what I will do is, if you watch our video over here, like this is the session 1, you can see that I will put a pinned comment over here normally on top, and you will see all my all the things that I would want to share with you. Everything will come here, or it will come here in the description inside over here. Okay, so I just have a request from you guys. So we have made this form over here. You can see this is the feedback form, which is in the comment section over here. Just click on this link. You will see something like this is going to open up, and please go ahead and answer some of these questions, because it is going to be important for us. This is just a 5-minute survey from you guys, and I would want some answers from you, so that we can use it to set up or make things more valuable for you whenever we will be launching some things for you. Okay, so please go ahead and drop this, and this is your TradingView link over here, and this is the Binance link. You can sign up Binance using this link, and you can join TradingView using this link. Okay, and our Discord, guys, the Discord community link is over here, so do join our Discord community. Like you see that we post a lot of things over here, and I post a lot of BTC updates quite regularly over here. You can see that day the BTC update was posted here. I did not post it on Twitter, because I wanted my Discord servers to have some benefit out of it, and you can see that we give a lot of information over here. Okay, as and when the community grows, I will do live stream on Discord, and you can see that we have a AMA trading session over here, and we'll go ahead and do this. Now these are for the members, guys, so this is not important now. When we launch these products, we'll come and discuss more with you that what this means and does not mean. But yeah, this is about our Discord, so please use the link and do join the Discord with us. And you can see that all information that I have is given over here, and you feel free to come and join us. Okay, thank you for watching the video, guys. I will see you in the next session, and the next session is going to be very interesting, because we are going to discuss the drawing toolbars over there, so stay tuned for that. Have a good day, guys. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.